guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is just a breakfast inspiration. So I'm actually frying onions and atarodo, which is called bonnet pepper, to make my baked beans because I like everything spicy. I'm a spice girl, trust me. I don't like when things are bland. I like the peppery taste. So just follow this recipe if you like pepper like me, or if you don't like it, then you just keep the Scotch bonnet part. And while Mama was cooking, these boys were just busy doing what they know how to do best, cluttering the house and making everything.
Good job, boys. Well done, boys. What are you doing? Hey, Jace. Been caught. Jaden? See the mess you've made, yes?
So I'm using this egg poacher that I got from Pound shop. It's used for making eggs in the microwave. And ever since I got this, my life has not remained the same. Making eggs every day, easy and straightforward. You only need to put this in the microwave for 1 or 2 minutes. You can add whatever you want in the egg before actually putting it in the microwave, and it's gonna come out bomb. You're gonna like it. And this is an air fryer. I prefer to use air fryer than using than just frying my stuff, really, basically. So I'm just gonna air fry my sausages. So now the egg is ready, and you're just gonna see the outcome of it. As I said, you can add anything and anything inside the egg when you're putting it in the microwave. So now our food is ready. I'm just serving it up. Don't rubbing it down. Really. Thanks, guys. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. Thanks, guys. See you in my next video.